Here's the local market update for January 2024 as it compares to January of 2023 for the Union County, New Jersey. Closed sales last year in January, 229. This year in January, it was 173 homes. Median sales price last year in January, it was $510,000. This year, it's $540,000, which is a 5.9% increase in the median sales price. Percent of list price received, last year it was 100.6%. This year it's 103.8%, so 3.2% higher than last year. Inventory of homes for sale, and this is a very interesting thing. Last year in January, there were 549 homes in all of the Union County in January. And in this year, in January of 2024, we have only 404 homes, which is a 26.4% decrease in the number of homes for sale, available for sale in Union County. Month supply of inventory, last year in January, it was 1.7 months. This year it's 1.5 months, which is really an indication of an extremely strong seller's market. A few days ago, I was talking about Middlesex County. Today, we're talking about Union County. So as you compare those two, it looks to me that the closer the county or the town is to New York City access, it's got fewer homes for sale and it's got higher prices, which is obvious, right?